going to start with A. So if you know where middle C is, that's the only key you really need to know, because we can skip keys from there and I will guide you what note you should be on. So we're going to go to A, which is a skip of a white key below C, middle C. So we're going to go to A, and we're going to line up our fingers, so we'll be playing. Now, all I'm doing there is a 1, 3, 5, 3. So you can use whatever fingers you want, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We want to think of it as this is our 1 key, our 3 key, and our 5 key. So you're just going to play up those keys and then back to the middle key. And then I'm going to skip down 4 keys. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're just looking at the white keys here. So that way when you're counting, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that would put us on a D. Going to do the same thing with the 1, 3, 5, 3. And then we're going to go up 3 keys from this D. We're going to go up 1, 2, 3. This is actually a G note. Play the same thing. And then we're going to go down 4 keys. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to be on a C. Same thing, 1, 3, 5, 3. And then after that, we're going to go up 4 keys. 1, 2, up 3 keys. 1, 2, 3. And we will be on F, which is actually to the left of the 3 black keys. Line up your fingers. 1, 3, 5. Again, 3, same pattern. And then we're going to go, let's see how we should do this. Down to D, which is actually just 2 keys this time. And then we're going to go, this is where you could do either going up 3, or we could go back to the A where we started. So let's just try the up to the G again. And then we're going to play the A again. And you could play the same thing and end with the A. Now, this is a sad, as I said at the beginning, a sad tone to it. So let's put it together. It might be a little confusing if you're a beginner, but just remember to count the white keys. But this time I think I'm going to take it up to the A up here. So here we were on this A, which was 2 away from middle C. And now we're going up to the next A, which is called an octave higher. An octave is actually 8 keys, like comes from the word octo, which means 8. So you're going up to the next A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, if you count from here. And you notice where it falls with the 3 black keys. Okay, so if we take it from this A, we'll have more room to move around because we may want to add a left hand. So, starting in that A, 1, 3, 5, 3, and we're going to go down to the D. Remember, we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 to the D. Then we're going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3 to the G. And we're going to go down 4 keys, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the C. And we're only using white keys, so you don't have to worry about the black keys. Up 3, 1, 2, 3. Remember, we're doing 4, 3, 4, 3. And then this one's the odd guy, I guess, because we're going down 2 instead. Same thing. And then we're going to go up to the G, which is 3. And then play the A. Okay, so if we put it together with the left hand, what you'll do is you're going to put your left, whichever finger, the second or third, on the same key as your thumb is in the right hand. So that's actually the name of the chord, whatever that's starting on it in this case. So, A, and then we're going to the D. Okay, last time I might have went down, so let's do that again. Because we want to keep our 4, 3 up, 4 down, 3 up, F, and then we only go 2 down, 3 up, so that's just a sad chord progression. You can add to it by playing it in different order, the keys, not really mixing up maybe right now the chords, the progression, but and then okay, and now I just added the pedal, which you can do, the far right pedal. And you always want to end what you started with these kind of things, because that's when it feels like it's finished. So we would end with that A. And you could either just play all the A's, or you can play the chord. Any way you want. So I hope you enjoyed this short lesson showing you how to play something that sounds sad and can help sometimes us to feel what we're feeling in a different way, our emotions, to express them. And you could do whatever you want with this. You could even play the left hand notes lower. So play around with it, play different octaves, different registers on the piano, the keyboard, whatever you have. Thank you. I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed this. And remember, God loves you. Remember, God loves you. Thank you for joining me today in my studio for a short lesson.